Hi, I'm Dr. Hart, and I'm here with two of my friends, TJ and my foam roller. And if you're like me, the weather's getting nice and you're getting excited. You're thinking, you know what, there's only 8 weeks till the Great Western Trail half marathon, or maybe you're thinking about the Tough Mudder that you're gonna do, or the Spartan race. And so you're getting out there, you're training, and what we're starting to notice is that you're seeing more people running on the trails, but more people are also starting to have aches and pains now because of that training. And so what I want to do today is talk a little bit about rolling smarter, not rolling harder. So when you're using the foam roller, you need to be present with the foam roller. A lot of times we're on the foam roller and we're going really quick. We're thinking about what we're going to be doing with our run, where we're going, but you need to actually, when you're on the foam roller, you need to be assessing, feeling how does that foam roller feel as I'm on here? Where is it tender? Where is it sore? Does it feel better afterwards? So to show us a little bit about foam rolling, I've got my buddy TJ here. So we're going to work the front of the leg. TJ's on his hip flexor. And as TJ's foam rolling here, you'll notice that he's modifying how he's putting pressure on that hip. And he's moving through it just nice and easy. You want to spend about 20 seconds as you're foam rolling an area. Notice how he moves his leg in and out to change as far as where the pressure is on the muscle. And the whole time he's doing this, TJ's feeling for how that muscle feels as he's stretching it. And it should feel better. It should feel good as it's going here, like, oh, that's a good spot. How's that feel, TJ?
A little tender, at least.
Okay. It's a little tender, but it's getting looser. The other thing to notice with your foam rolling, if you've got an area that you've been rolling, so the IT bands, lateral quadricep or lateral hamstring, and it's just not getting any better, it's not loosening up, it's telling you that maybe you've got what's called a locked muscle and not a facilitated muscle. So a locked muscle is a muscle that no matter how much you roll it, you're using a lacrosse ball, you're using the foam roller, and it just doesn't give. It's telling you that there's a problem somewhere else, whether it's lower leg, whether it's the hamstring, whether it's glute. And so that's the time when you need to get in and see either talk to your trainer or go and see a health professional like myself. I'm Dr. Hart. I hope to see you out on the trails. Have a great day.